Today we talk about how can you add your photo profiles on your Hinge app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on your photo profile down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you just click here on complete profile to become a member here. And here add your photo profile in this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then here can you add all photo profile you have in this list on your Hang app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.